Here's the 37. I just finished chopping the roof down on it. Still got some work to do. The front pillars here don't line up, so I gotta add about an inch to the roof. Got the interior of the cab all braced before I cut the floor out. So I took 8.5 inches off the bottom. I took the floor out, and then 2-inch chop, and things lined up pretty good. Still got to put some darts or something back in here to. I decided I wanted the full height of rear window sill. I don't want to reduce that height. It's kind of like a mail slot already looking out of it, so I did that zigzag cut in the roof. So a little bit more cutting, and then we'll clean it up and start tacking it back together. Fun project.